Here we have two fouls by the same team, one live ball and one dead ball, and this is well handled by the crew. You can see, first of all, that the right tackle goes downfield about 5 yards, and he's at that spot when the pass is thrown. So it's good to get this ineligible receiver downfield. And then the taunting foul against the receiver who caught the ball after going out of bounds is also good to get that. And we got good support from one of the announcers about that call. Good job, referee, to make the announcements for these fouls. This can be a little bit complicated, so the penalty enforcement announcement is good. The only thing I would add is a reminder to announce the number of the unsportsmanlike conduct foul. But otherwise, this is very well handled and good job.
There were two fouls on the play. Ineligible downfield offense, number 56. It's a 5-yard penalty. After the play, unsportsmanlike conduct, number 5 of the offense. That will also be enforced after distance to the goal, second down.
This next play gives us a good example of a reversal of a targeting foul. You can see that the player is going to the ground and the defensive player comes in and does make some helmet contact, and you can see why this is called on the field. There's no fault of the officials on the field for making this call. But instant replay determined that there was not forcible contact to the head or neck area and not forcible contact with the crown of the helmet. So this is good work by the replay booth to reverse this call. Referees, don't use the word reversed or reversal. Just simply say that there is no targeting foul. And in this case, it's good to say that there was not forcible contact. You can leave it like that, but don't use the word reversed.
Personal foul, targeting defense. Number 27, 15-yard penalty, automatic first down. The play is under review. After review, the ruling of targeting is reversed.
Yeah,
Number 27 may
call.
remain in the game. It is first down, Michigan.
We get a good call for holding on this play. You can see that the right guard grabs the defender and spins him around right at the point of attack. Now, this is obviously a big call because it brings back a touchdown. So good job to get this, to be alert, and to call a correct holding foul right at the point of attack.
Holding, offense number 72, 10-yard penalty, repeat third down.
We get a ruling of a complete pass here, but that is incorrect. The pass is incomplete, and replay allows it to stand. It should have been overturned. Clearly, the receiver does not have firm control of the ball when it hits the ground, and there's some bobbling of the ball as it hits the ground. So this should be an incomplete pass. Now, we do allow the ball to touch the ground, but if it touches the ground, the receiver must be in firm control of the ball, and this does not happen in this case. Now, it's hard to fault the officials on the field for this because in real time, this can look very much like a complete pass. But this should have been overturned by instant replay because of the bobble as the ball hits the ground.
After review, the play stands as called on the field. Completion, first down.
We get a good job of dead ball officiating on this play. You can see that the defender drives the ball carrier out of bounds, but then just slings him, and that's the part that causes the flag to be drawn for late hit out of bounds. So good job to get this dead ball foul. As we always say, dead ball officiating is a very important part of our game, and I'm glad to see that the officials are on top of it on this particular play.
After the play was over, personal foul, late hit out of bounds. Defense, number 8, 15-yard penalty, first down.
We get a good holding call. You can see that the left tackle on the offensive team grabs the defensive end right at the point of attack, gets his hands outside the frame of the body, and pulls him to the ground. So this is a good call. Good job by the referee to make this announcement, to announce where the penalty is enforced from. We don't often get that, and it's good to announce where the penalty is enforced from as well as what the foul is and the yardage. So good job all the way around on this one.
P. Filbert.
Holding, offense number 56. 10-yard penalty from the previous spot. Replay third down.